Hello friends, so in this tutorial I will talk about decision making statements in Unix shell scripting. So we have two clauses, one is if else, then second one is case statements. So in this tutorial I will talk about if statements and its combination. So let's create some scripts to understand. I'll create if.sh. Okay, let's close previous scripts. Close without saving. Okay, so give the shebang first. Switch. If, then here you need to give the condition. If it is evaluated as true, then it will execute the subsequent statements. If it is false, then it won't. Okay, it all depends on the requirement and the design. So what I'm doing is, if the value of the switch is 1, then I'll turn on the TV. Okay, 5. So 5 means I've closed this. If, so if is the starting and 5 is the end. So this whole is called the if block. Okay, now let's run this. Control L, if .sh. I'll run in debug mode to check if there is any error or not. Yes, there is one, because I did not pass anything, and here I have taken $1. So I need to pass some values. 0 if I pass, this is evaluated as false, so these statements did not executed. So I'll give it as 1, so turn on the TV. If I run without -x, okay, so this is my first script for if. I'll put if alone just for my reference. See, now let's create the second script for nested if underscore if dot sh. Okay, so now what I'll do is, in one if I'm giving another if, so this is called nested if. Switch 2, this one as switch 1, and I'll give value as 2. Turn on the radio. Okay, okay, now I need to close this if inner block. Outer block is closed. Here I have to give two variables, switch 1 and switch 2. Okay, this is nested if. Remove this, save this. Now let's run this. Okay, so if I give value as 1, I have taken two variables, right? So I have to give two values. So first one I have given 1, so this is true, that's why this is executed. Now it went to the second if statement, which is evaluated as false, because here I have given value as 0. So if I give 2, then turn on the TV, turn on the radio. Now let's make first statement false. What will happen? So if this is false, then it won't go to the next subsequent statements. Okay, so this is for nested if. Now let's create another video for else if else. Don't save. Now let's create a new one, new document, if underscore else dot sh. Okay, so now what I'll do is, so if the switch value is 1, then it will turn on the TV. If switch value is 2, it will turn on the radio. Now else what I'll do is, if none of the statement matches, if none of the condition matches, then what it will print is, it will print short circuited. Let's save this. Now run this. Let's clear this first. If underscore else dot sh to provide one value. Okay, TV is turn on, but here because there are two values. Okay, so TV is turn on. Now I'll give 1 and 2 radio. Now I'll give it as 3 short circuited. Let's give some random values. Short circuited because none of the condition matches, that's why it went to the else part. Okay, now I'll create another script for if elif else. Stacks elif underscore else. Okay, if elif else. Okay, so now what I'll do is, I'll give elif here. Okay, and only one variable is required for this. So what I'll do is, if I pass value as 1, so it will print this. If the value is 2, it will print this. If none of the values is matches, then it will print short circuited. For if elif, we don't want this one. You don't need to close this inner block because this is a part of if. Okay, now let's save this, run this. Elif, let's pass whatever value is there. Okay, why, let's see what is the file name. Okay, here space is there. Okay, let's close this. Okay, now enter short circuited. Let's give some value 1, turn on 2, turn on the radio 3, 4, 5. If you give any random values, short circuited. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment. I'll see you in the next tutorial. In the next one we will talk about case statements. So thanks for watching this.